Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here benzyl magnesium bromide is given, which is Grignard reagent. You are reacting with benzene there. Then the next step, you are reacting with heavy water D2O. You have to find the final product. The reaction is given for confusion. Actually, the reactant is alkyne here. Phenyl magnesium bromide is the reactant. It just serves as a magnesium transferring reagent. Here the alkyne have acidic hydrogen because of sp hybridization. So it is electronegative. It will lose the hydrogen easily. So 1 H plus easily replaced by metal there, which is magnesium. The positive charge replaced with another positive charge. The next step you are adding H2O, which can donate D plus. Again it replaces the D there. 1 H plus again replaced with another H plus. The final product is deuterated propane. The concept you have to learn here is always look for the reagent and reactant difference. If you confuse it, you will commit a mistake. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.